Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Today I will let you know how to make this beautiful crochet flower, which is very easy, super easy to make, and you can use this flower as a crochet applique or as an accessory on your garments or as a buttons. It is very easy to make and it comes out really beautiful. So let's start friends. First of all, we will make a magic ring. Then we will make 2 chains. After that we will make cluster of 6 half double crochets like this. Then we will take the yarn on a hook and pass through all this. Then we will make 3 chains and then here slip stitch. Again we will make 2 chains, cluster of 6 half double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Pass through all these. 3 chains and then slip stitch. Again 2 chains, cluster of 6 half double crochets, 3 chains and then slip stitch. 2 chains, cluster of 6 half double crochets, 3 chains and then slip stitch. Again 2 chains, cluster of 6 half double crochets, 3 chains and then cluster of, then slip stitch. Then you have to pull the thread, make it tight, make a slip stitch here, cut the thread, and your beautiful crochet puff flower is ready. Here you can put a bead or anything. You can use this as a flowers on a sweater or on your suits or any other article as accessory. It will come out really beautiful. If you like my video, please click on like button and share it with your friends who are doing knitting and crocheting. Thank you.